So I'm going to push you a little bit more. How do you actually do that? That sounds like a lot of words. What are you really doing?
We have a predefined framework on development. Let's just put it that way. We've built out and stubbed out our own back-end process and our own front-end capabilities. Further, the orchestration engine, and I'm waving my hands because most people just, say orchestration, et cetera. It is the ability to connect to all the data in the enterprise in all of its formats. This is literal scans of PDFs with chicken scratch on it, all the way to connectors to SAP. Once you then deploy a model, and typically a multimodal model, on that stack, where it now could connect to all of the data securely using the enterprise security, identity access, and all that, now we can work with lines of business owners. Literally, we ask them for one-page detail on an outcome they're trying to achieve. We then convert that one page into effectively a PRD and effectively a set of system prompts that, because we have that pre-stubbed sort of architecture, we can then have an app published within about 5 to 10 minutes, which is just a conglomerate of agents with a GUI put on it. And now we can actually work with that line of business owner through that outcome, literally doing QA testing effectively live stream. Within about 2 days of that, we typically have an app that's ready to be QA'd in a production environment.
This would be an operational outcome. Yeah. So something along the lines of, automate this part of quote to cash for this portfolio or something along those lines.
Yeah, I think at the simple level, for
Yes and
sure.
no, it's not double my revenue next month. That's not that kind of business outcome, is it?
Yeah, that might be a little hard at this moment, but not far. But yeah, point in case, we worked with a global organization just this morning that had a separate ERP system and data structure in Europe, a separate ERP system in America. The data sets, because it actually fits under GDPR and HIPAA regs, they couldn't combine them. So they have two separate ERPs. Now we have a single agent running in both of the countries. It can actually connect into the ERP systems. Then it sends the summaries back to another agent that built a dashboard in real time of those action flows. And that was something that literally we accomplished almost on the phone call, and it should be in production by the next week.